Hi guys, and welcome to the My Favorite Memories craft table. Guess what time it is? It's corny joke time. Alright, today's joke is, what kind of books do rabbits like to read? Stay tuned to find out. Hi guys, and thanks for joining me at my craft table. Today's DIY is a spring craft, very Pinterest inspired. I saw pictures of these all over Pinterest. It is a rustic wood bunny, or as they call them on Pinterest, chunky bunnies, and they're adorable. Super simple. You can use scraps from around your house, whatever you need. So many options with these. Here, let me show you what we're going to need, okay? Alright, first thing you need is a piece of wood. This is a piece of 2x4 that I had in my garage. It's a leftover piece. It doesn't have to be 2x4. It can be anything that can stand up on its own like that. So one piece of wood. Doesn't matter how short, tall, whatever, okay? And then we're going to need a marker, scissors, paintbrushes, something for the nose. I found this little wooden heart in my stash. I'm going to be using that as the nose. Something to paint on to protect your desk or whatever your area. Paint, I'm going to use white, pink, and my base coat is going to be gray. Now these are paints that I've had around. This is Feldspar. I picked it up at Lowe's. This is chalk paint. I always use chalk paint. Well, 90% of the time I always use chalk paint. That made no sense, but you understand. Something for the ears. I have picked up, I have had these quite a while, but I picked them up from the Dollar Tree. One is pink, they're wire edged ribbon, and one is just the burlap, and it is also wire edged. You're going to need your hot glue gun or glue of your choice. And this is basically what we're going to need. So, wood, something for the nose, glue, paint, something for the ears, marker, paint brushes for the paint, scissors to cut the ribbon, and something to put down to protect your work area. So, let's get to work here, huh? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the base coat down. It's a very light gray, as you can see. I'm putting that down, and then I'm going to dry brush white over it. So the gray gives it a shadowy look. That's all there is to it. So, see you when I'm done. Alright, as you can see, I've got the gray up, and now I'm going to use some white, but I'm going to do dry brush, make it look furry. you go. I don't know if you can see it very well, but there's just streaks and lines. And a lot of the gray is showing. So I'm going to let that dry really well, and we'll be back. Okay, I have my block all painted. I painted my little wooden heart. And now I'm going to make the ears. And to do that, you can use anything you want. Imagination comes into play here. I'm going to use pink and burlap colored ribbon. There you go. One little chunky bunny. One block of wood. Something for the nose, something for the ear, and you're all set. A little bit of imagination. I tried to provide you with some inspiration. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, and as far as the corny joke, what kind of books do rabbits like to read? Well, ones with happy endings, of course. Oh. I really hope to see you soon. And if you like this kind of stuff, don't forget to subscribe. You never know. You have a great day, and I will see you later.